Let me tell you about the basic speed law. In most states, there's a law that says you have to drive in a manner that's reasonable under the conditions. Just because a speed limit sign says 55 or 45, that doesn't mean that you can drive that speed without concern for what may happen if you're in an accident. You have to take into consideration the weather. You have to take into consideration the road conditions. You have to take into consideration pedestrians. If there are people crossing the street, you can't run them down just because you're driving the speed limit. So you got to be careful. That's a factor that's going to come into play when people are looking at your behavior. If you're in an accident, you cannot say, I can't be at fault, I was driving the speed limit. So again, remember rule number 1, do not talk to insurance people. Figure out your claim. Figure out what the issues are. Figure out what is going to help you and what's going to hurt you, and know when to speak and know when to keep your mouth shut.